If you're also someone wants to get hired by international airlines or even Middle Eastern airlines like Qatar, Etihad, Emirates, then what should you do? Most of these airlines ask for 1 year of customer service experience. So how can you gain that experience? Let me help you today. You can join hospitality industry like hotel industry either at the front desk or any of the department which has a direct customer dealing on a regular basis. If not that, you can think of working with any customer service related company as a front desk executive or customer service agents, executives, CSE, CSA, and in fact, you can go on and be a part of a ground staff as well. This also would give you the desired expertise and experience that international airline is looking forward for. And other than that, if you cannot manage to do any of these, then think of joining any of the restaurants, or if not, then retail outlets to be a part of their customer service executives or agents at least for 1 year minimum. And once you reach the 21 years of age criteria, then you can go on and apply for all the Middle Eastern airlines with your expertise in customer service industry. Remember to prepare yourself well because your answer should showcase that you have gained customer service expertise, and your voice should have that humble and politeness intact so that they can understand your expertise can be beneficial for them. If it is useful for you, share it with the people, those who want to be a part of this ever rewarding career. I wish you all the very best.